USD on weekly time frame looks very bearish because the pair is getting rejected from this monthly resistance trend line for 3 weeks in a row, and currently we can spot that the price got rejected from the resistance trend line in overall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So price was not being able to break and close above. Price was trying to break and close above this resistance trend line since 3 weeks, but all the attempts were failed. And if we switch to daily time frame, on weekly time frame we are clear bearish on this pair because I'm a counter trend trader. I like swing opportunities, swing trade opportunities. I don't really get into much of trade continuation trades because my trading style is using the smallest amount of risk available to gain huge amount of profit. So risk reward ratio is very important to me, and mostly I use trend reversal signals, which are swing opportunities, because swing opportunities will give me maximum 60 pips and a stop loss and huge amount of pips and a profit. On average we make 200 to 500 pips in a profit, and we just risk on average 30 pips. You can see our results on our Instagram trade results and June results highlights. Alright, back into our USD CAD. On daily time frame we can spot that Friday daily candle closed as a bearish engulfing of the Thursday bullish candle, and we can spot that currently we are in a clear downtrend. And if we switch to H4 time frame, we can spot more clear opportunities that we made a triple top right here. This was the first top, this was the second top with beautiful bearish pin bar, and this was the third top. Seriously, I didn't really monitor. I wasn't monitoring this pair for like 2 weeks, since 2 weeks, because of a lot of choppy moves right here. As you can spot that in this box, there are a lot of choppy moves. That's why I didn't want to monitor this pair, and I kind of a little bit regret because it was a good opportunity right here to enter with this beautiful bearish pin bar. I guess it was the price also formed here a beautiful butterfly. No, didn't form. It was a good opportunity to enter with this beautiful bearish pin bar because market tried to break and close above this high, the first high, and it was not able to break and close above. Then we made this fake out, which I really like, fake out candles, with especially with this beautiful bearish pin bar. I really love this kind of patterns because this gives a good clue that we are in an overall bearish trend. Then price pushed down, then again pushed back up to test the resistance area again and got rejected again. Also we could have entered right here, and we still can look for sell opportunities on this pair because currently if price forms this beautiful head and shoulders pattern, currently the price already pushing down, and if price pulls back to test the broken structure, this kill zone area, red rectangle, yellow rectangle, sorry, at the area between 129.70 and 130 even. This 30 pips kill zone is a very good opportunity to take. If price pulls back and forms the right shoulder of this beautiful head and shoulders pattern, I'm going to be selling this pair. My take profit is going to be very huge, and my stop loss is going to be around the area of 130.70. So around 70 pips I'm going to risk, not 70, because the price may push higher, and we will see based on that market conditions. Maybe we'll be placing the stop loss right above the right shoulder with ATL calculation, which gives us around like 30 pips and a stop loss, I guess. And take profit one is going to be at the area of this test of this support trend line I think, which is going to bring us around more than 200 pips. And take profit 2 is going to be the test of this weekly resistance trend line, a support trend line, sorry, which is going to give us around, I guess, 300 to 400 pips. And take profit 3 is going to be more down, because on weekly time frame we are on a clear downtrend. Maybe take profit 3, oops, maybe take profit 3 is going to be the test of this support area, the area of 121 even, which is going to bring us around 600 to 700 pips. So this is the current trade potential trade setup on USD CAD. Looking for sell opportunities on this pair. Weekly time frame, clear downtrend because the price got rejected from resistance trend line for 3 weeks in a row. Daily time frame, clear downtrend, beginning of the downtrend. For me, for my trading strategy, it's clear downtrend. For trend continuation traders, it may be uptrend, but for trend reversal, for me, swing opportunity traders, it's a downtrend for me. And on weekly time frame, weekly time frame, clear downtrend. Daily time frame for me, also clear downtrend. H4 time frame, absolutely downtrend with this beautiful triple top. Come on, yeah, clear, absolutely clear downtrend. H1 time frame, very downtrend. I'm waiting for the price to pull back this and test the yellow rectangle zone. All right, we are done with the USD CAD. Let's move on to USD yen. All right, USD yen on weekly time frame, we can spot that price is now on a clear downtrend because the price was forming lower highs and lower lows, and the latest lower low broke and closed below the measure support area, and now currently the price is pulled back to test this resistance area. If you're already watching our trade results, we sold this pair at a very high at the week of this weekly bearish candle. We were selling at the area of 111 and something. I'll show you now. All right, weekly time frame, we got this beautiful bullish pin bar, and we thought that we may see some uptrend as well, but we didn't close our trade. All right, then this week candle closed as a bearish pin bar, so which indicates now currently the market is in on weekly time frame. In this case of scenario, in this small trend, it's on an indecision point. It doesn't know what to do. And if we switch to daily time frame, we can spot that the price has already formed the right shoulder, but not completed yet. Formed, but not completed yet. Head, neckline, right shoulder, and on the right shoulder we spot this beautiful bearish engulfing candle, which is already good opportunity to short this pair. And at the resistance area we got this very beautiful bearish pin bar. And if we switch to H4 time frame, yes, this is where we sold USD yen at the area of 111 and 35 with just 10 pips of stop loss, if you are familiar and if you are watching our trade results highlights. And it's now heading to our take profit 4 area. Take profit 4 area for us is bringing around 1000 pips. We already booked 150 pips with 1 to 15 hours squared ratio, and now the price is heading to our take profit 4 area, which is going to bring us 1000 pips, 1000 plus pips in profit, because we are aiming 101 and 101 even. So $101 even is going to be our take profit 4 area. And as we can spot on H4 time frame, and if we switch to H1 time frame, I already pointed that we got these beautiful patterns that may push price more down with what we can enter this trade. Currently we can spot it on H1 time frame. USD yen is trending on a downtrend, clear downtrend, and once price reaches the D leg of this bearish Gartley pattern, and by testing this mirror resistance kill zone area and testing this resistance trend line, if we spot any kind of bearish pattern confirmations, we can look for sell opportunities on this pair, or even by testing this yellow rectangle, if we spot any kind of bearish pattern confirmations, we can still look for sell opportunities. So there are two case of scenarios: selling right at here at the area of 109 and 60, with bearish pattern confirmation signal, and the second sell scenario is going to be at 109.71 with bearish pattern confirmation as well. So these are the current potential trade setups on USD yen and USD CAD. We already sold USD yen at the very highest point, and we may sell one more time. We sold right it here, 35. Oh my god, look how we cut this trade right at the wick, right at the highest wick of this weekly bearish candle. We cut this pair 111.35. If you can watch this trade result on our Instagram trade result highlights, will be pointed out. Alright, thanks for the attention guys. These are the current trade potential setups on USD yen and USD CAD. Hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have any kind of questions, just comment down below or DM our admin at maestro/fx/admin. Alright, bye bye to the next video guys.